Okay, so today I'm going to be talking about facial stuff. So I have to say amazing stuff about this e.l.f. Soothing Primer. It has worked for me for, gosh, when I ran out of it a couple years ago, I was like, I can't believe this, I need more. And I was really sad that I ran out. And then a couple months went by, I'm like, golly, I gotta get more of this. So I definitely recommend this. I put it almost always before I put on makeup. I always use it. Second thing is I'm still trying out is this night serum. You can rub it in just before you go to bed. Hold on. I hope it focuses and you can see it. I'll tell you how that goes. So I'm still testing it out. And then good old standard coconut oil. This one isn't like a liquid, it's more chunky, but here, I'll show you what it looks like. It works amazing if you have dry face, lips, skin, yada yada. You just rub it in wherever you need it. It's been working out great too. Last but not least is this little baby bottle. Both my sisters have used it, but my oldest sister, she has used it far the most out of any of us because of how good it was. So I definitely recommend that. And this is all I have for all of these products. But be sure to subscribe and tell me what you think. Peace.